Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily turn Do Not Disturb mode on or off on your iPhone. It's a simple process, but there are a couple of different ways you can do it. So without further ado, let's get it started. So first, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center and look for the focus mode button. It might say do not disturb or just focus. Simply long press or tap and hold on that button and a menu will pop up. To turn Do Not Disturb mode on, simply tap on it and you will see an icon or notification at the top of your screen indicating that it's enabled. And to turn it off, you can simply tap on it to disable it. And when it's off, the bottom will appear grayed out or inactive. Now, the second method to do that is to simply open the Settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened the Settings app, simply scroll down and tap on Focus. From here, select Do Not Disturb to check its current status. If it is turned on, you can toggle it off by tapping on the switch. And while you are here, you can also verify if you have any schedule or automation rules set up. To do this, tap on Schedule to view any active schedules. If there are schedules you don't want, you can simply disable or delete it by toggling it off or tapping Delete. You can even customize Do Not Disturb to allow certain notifications, calls, or apps even when it is enabled. And this is especially useful if you want to stay focused but still receive important alerts. And that's it. Now you know how to easily turn Do Not Disturb mode on or off on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.